Okay, people, I'm parked outside of the band office here. Elsipogtog band office, that is. Not sure if the camera can focus in on it. This snow is hectic right now. As you can see in the camera, this snow is heavy. I was stuck at work for a good couple hours. But anyways, we're looking at the band office. It's just snow everywhere. You can see all that snow that was not there like about 4 hours ago, but now there's freaking snow everywhere. Power's out in Big Hope Jeej, or Graham Road, whatever you want to call it. There's the daycare. And you can see the snow blowing over. The plow's been by, but you can see the snow being blown everywhere. But that's what it's like here in the East Coast, Canada. This is from Elsipogtog First Nation. Have fun, everybody.